Entrepreneurs and creatives, what's up, what's up? John Juan here again, director, photographer, musician extraordinaire, and I'm back with another chapter of being a better entrepreneur. And today, we're gonna talk customer service and networking. The first thing I wanna go over is networking. Talk to people, find out what people do, and don't be afraid to tell people what you do. Find common ground and what makes you guys relatable. The more of a people person you are, the more likely you are to convert a first-time meet into a business opportunity. Be approachable. People are curious by design. You're never too busy to give someone a piece of your day. Making people feel comfortable is the easiest way to gain new clientele and fans. For example, a year or so ago, I had one follower that would reach out to me via DM, and this person would ask me questions about my process, what my editing is like, how I shoot, my style, my inspirations, and rather than act standoffish or unapproachable, I answered this person's questions. I answered them well, and it seemed like they were kind of vetting me because here we are a year or so later, and that person is now a client, and we're working on our 10th project in less than 5 months. Answer people's questions. Make them feel comfortable. Be organized, and I can't stress this enough. Have a way to show potential clients your work, whether it be a website, your social media, or simply just having a business card with your direct contact and a connection to your services, brand, or products. I can't even begin to tell you how many big name clients I've been able to connect with simply by having examples of my work organized and easily accessible. It's also good to have a pitch of what you have to offer. A pitch could simply be organized thoughts of what makes you different from other brands and how passionate you are. People respect passion, and they also respect professionalism. I can't even begin to tell you how many clients I've been able to connect with simply by being passionate. Even when I didn't have the most examples of the work to show, they respected my passion and trusted that I was the right guy to get the job done. The customer is mostly always right. Now be discreet about that one. But take care of your customers, especially repeat customers. A customer's loyalty and word of mouth is worth way more than just making $1 off of them. A loyal customer that's hired you multiple times or made multiple purchases with you might deserve a discount or just something extra. Whatever you see fit to reward this person for their loyalty, you should do it. That loyal customer is going to champion your name and shout it from the mountaintops to people that you never met. So that means you're going to have business that you wouldn't have had otherwise. Take care of your people, folk. Talk and network with others in your field. While everything can seem so competitive these days, you have to act as a sponge. Gain knowledge from wherever you can, especially as an entrepreneur, because there ain't nobody telling you this stuff. I remember connecting with another videographer in my network that I know we both saw each other as competition, but rather than being on my competitive high horse with this guy that's been in the field for about 3-4 years longer than I was able to gain some knowledge that drastically shortened my editing process. And I'm like, wow, man, you can really block your blessings by being too prideful. Thank God for humility. Network with people. Talk, see what they know, share what you know. At the end of the day, we're all in this race and it's a marathon. If you take anything away from this chapter, I hope that is be a people person. Talk. Find out what people do and how you guys can support each other. Trust that someone might really just like your brand enough to share it and support it. Trust that someone else successful in your field won't stop you from being the same. With that said, this is Being a Better Entrepreneur. I'm John Juan. Make sure you're subscribed to that P.A.U. Studios YouTube channel. There's plenty of content for you on there. If you found any of this content right here useful, make sure you drop a like on us, drop it in the comments, let us know what you want us to talk about next. If you're looking for more content from me, you can follow me on Instagram @PlentySkills, or my production company @UsualPolitics and @P.A.U. Studios LLC. Until the next time, entrepreneurs, keep doing good business. Peace.